Back out on the Harley. That was my Uncle Mick. Hi guys, welcome back. Seems I tried to record a video yesterday, spent a good 40 minutes or so out of the house in 6 degrees weather and none of the audio recorded, so that was fantastic, that was. But yeah, thought I'd pop out today. Just wanted to get the first video on the Harley. I haven't, other than yesterday, so I know it's okay, but this is the first recorded video with the new exhaust fitted and the air filter and whatnot. It behaved itself yesterday, so hopefully today should be no different. And it's even colder today, so aren't we lucky? 4 degrees. Living the dream. I've got a real thing for street scramblers, and when they launched the Triumph Scrambler, the bigger one, 1200, they've done it in a very similar, almost a tribute kind of paint job to the BSA Triumphs that I've got. Whether that was intentional or not, but that's how it looks. And I always like the colour, the blue and the gold, the black. And I went to look at one year before last. No, last year. And decided that I couldn't commit to that kind of cost. I thought, you know, maybe one day when they're around about on the used market, I could, you know, maybe consider it. So at the time in the summer, I remembered back when I first started thinking about learning to ride. The bike I was gonna jump in for was the THRUXTON. That was like 2006. And at the time I was shopping for the Scrambler, in the same dealership they had a second-hand 2016 THRUXTON 900 in the green, which is the bike I've got in the workshop. I've had that for just over a year now. Don't get me wrong, I love the bike. It's a really nice bike, great to ride, a lot of fun. But you just don't quite connect. I mean, I've had it with the Harley, where I've, you know, fallen in and out of love with it. But it's always been a bike I can never see myself selling this. And the same with the BSA is never going to go anywhere. But yeah, the Triumph, I don't know, it just doesn't. I think it's a great looking bike, and it always gets attention wherever I take it and stuff like that. But just when I'm out on it, and it's not that it hasn't got character. I mean, the sound, and I just don't know what it is. It's just not. I guess there's just some bikes you just don't gel with. That idea of the street scrambler, a modern street scrambler, because also we do a bit more travelling out across Wales when we're allowed, doing weekend stayovers and stuff now, and doing that kind of distance on the Harley is a no-go. Just ain't going to do that. And the same for the THRUXTON, really. It's not comfortable for distance. Well, I think the Scrambler, I don't know, with the suspension jacked up, being a little bit softer, bigger, squishier tyres. Hopefully the seat's more comfortable. I don't know. This is all speculation. I haven't even sat on one. I don't think. I looked at it in the dealership, and we just decided no because of the cost. But I have noticed, just through browsing the past couple of weeks, the used market for them now, they've got, you know, they've dropped not significantly, but kind of puts it back into kind of where the THRUXTON was. So obviously, you know, it's whatever I get for the THRUXTON trade-in, but yeah, I don't know. Just something I'm thinking about. Yeah, it's definitely tempting, but oh, but never mind. Oh, cool car! Look at that. They usually have quite a collection of old British cars there. So yeah, don't know what to do about that Triumph. That's just an ongoing thought, but we'll see. Jesus, I wonder if he knows there's something up with his van, whether it's just cold or there's a lot of incomplete combustion going on there. Look at that. But yeah, same again. It's nice and dry. I know it's cold, but seems my my primary motivation for starting the YouTube channel is paying off. I'm definitely spending more time out on the bike at this time of year, at least. And I know it's just a motorcyclist thing. Like, it can't just be, but like, I guess we tend to feel it more. It gets to September normally every year and I become impossible to live with. Just, you know, all your hobbies are shutting down, and it's bizarre because really, on the whole, I generally like building things and putting bikes together or projects and stuff. Once they're complete, kind of start to lose interest. So it shouldn't be the case really, because the winter's when all your projects will start, like, you know, happen on the calendar. But yeah, don't know, normally every September I start getting a little bit, you know, mopey and just you can probably hear I've now got the Vance & Olin short shots on the bike. Ooh, temporary lights. I really love the look of those on the old, it's an old 2001 carburetor model Sportster in a fetching shade of purple. But yeah, I've got the Vance & Olin short shots in black. We've kind of got rid of quite a bit of the chrome. The exhaust was a bit tired. It was the original downpipes, so I got that on. Which was a bit of a pain because it was a kit that was supposed to be for a fuel injected, so 2004 onwards. So that took a bit of effort to get going, get on the bike. I got there's a video of me fitting the air filter. That's also off that's a 2020 48 actually. I've done both of those mods. I made the seat myself, and relocated the indicators from the handlebars down onto the top yoke. That was all because I then fitted California style mirrors. They're also off the later bike. When I bought it, it had the drag bars on 4-inch risers. It's now on 2-inch risers and 10-inch mini apes, which is much more comfortable for me. I'm 6'1", 6'2", so oh, nice guy. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yeah, so and that. So I've had this bike for 8-9 years now. 16,000. I had 8,000 miles on when I bought it. 16,000 miles on it. So not a great deal. Yeah, while I'm out this way, I'm not 100% sure whether they're open due to the current climate. But before I head back to the house, a little bit of a teaser. I might in. Little shop on my left here. Oh, they look like they're closed. Are they closed? I think they're closed. Should I or shouldn't I? So we're back. Only briefly. So turns out they're not open for custom. They're just doing service drop-offs and things at the moment. That will change next week, I think. But due to come out of the national lockdown then. So I've been out, got my lunch. Yeah, got my lunch. Pop there. Nothing at the moment. I think they'd be pretty sweet to do a deal. Can't see that there's many people this close to Christmas, unless they're buying Christmas presents for their partners or themselves, who are likely to be making a purchase of that significance. So hopefully. Oh, cool! I used to have one. That was my first car, Ford Escort. Yeah. So hopefully. Saying that like I'm going to do it, I'm still not sure. Don't try not to preempt myself. Yeah, I don't know. It's a tough one. It is a tough one. What do you guys think? I'll include a photo up above. I learned how to do that now. That's in the last video. It's all a big learning curve putting this YouTube channel together, that's for sure. But there's all sorts of things you have to consider. Title of your video, tags, relevance of your content. It's a minefield. People make it look so easy. They really do. But you know, we'll feel it out. We'll go along, learn as we go, and if it's naff, it's naff. If it's not, then lucky you, I guess. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think, whether I should you know, try and THRUXTON or the SCRAMBLER. And if it's the SCRAMBLER, to do it in the blue, which is you know, it's not the same as the BSA, but it's a similar paint scheme. Probably for the car camouflage green, or what colour they call it now. They do white. I don't really want white. Okay, well, ivory, or I don't know what it is, flat white. Well, they do black. Black's an option. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, what would you go for if you were picking one of those? Or would you keep the THRUXTON? First world problems, eh? It's I don't know. What a dilemma to have. But yeah, things to consider. Seems they have started putting salt on the roads now. I noticed it on the mirrors. So doesn't mean the video is going to stop. I thought it would. I thought I'd stop recording and hold the YouTube channel until the weather got better. We weren't doing that, but it means there salt in the roads in November. That's going to be a big dent. So just going to mean I'm going to have to clean the bike more. Things I do. Never mind. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there, guys. Thanks for watching. If you watch this long, If you haven't, click like, click subscribe. You know, really helps the channel out. Doesn't cost you anything, but helps me out a bunch. So yeah, if you're enjoying the content, give us a thumbs up. If you're not, then drop a comment below. Let me know what you want to change, what, you know, what I could do better. It's all about evolving and you know, growing. It's something very new to me, something I've always wanted to do, and now I'm doing it, it seems. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and yeah, take it easy.